Hi, welcome to Business English with Tony. Today, we will be learning about some of the most effective expressions and strategies when things go wrong during your presentation. And before we start, every week I will be uploading some effective and useful English expressions that you may use in your daily life as a professional. So, to support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to be able to receive notifications. Alright, let's get started. Giving a presentation in English as a foreign language is a challenge. When we start to panic, we stop thinking in English and slip back into our native language, and it's a struggle to get back on track. Well, panic no more. Here are some of the most useful English expressions that you can say when everything is going wrong and you start to panic. So, without further ado, here are 8 most common problems people face during presentation, and here's how you can deal with them. The first sentence is what you are thinking, and the second sentence is what you can say when you start to panic. So, for our first problem, when you committed a mistake, what you are thinking, I've got my facts wrong. What should you say? You can use the following expressions like, sorry, what I meant is, or, to make it simple, you can say, correction. For the second common problem, when you are too fast during your presentation, what you are thinking, too fast, go back. What should you say? You can use these expressions such as, so, let's just recap on that, or, you can just say, to sum it up. For the third common problem, when you forget to say something, what you are thinking, I've forgotten to say something. What should you say? Before anything else, I should just mention one thing. Easy, right? For the fourth problem, when your presentation is complicated or difficult, what you are thinking, too complicated, make it simple. What should you say? So, basically, what I'm saying is, it shows that you're more professional. Moving on to our fifth problem, when your explanation is not making sense. What you are thinking is, I'm talking nonsense. To make it more formal and professional, you can use this expression. Sorry, perhaps I didn't make myself clear. For our sixth problem, when you don't know the English term or expression, what you are thinking, how do I say this in English? What should you say? Sorry, what's the word or expression I'm looking for? Always remember that the audience is willing to help you, so don't be afraid to ask a question. For our seventh problem, when you make a mistake and you want to fix it, what you are thinking, wrong, try again. To make it look like you didn't commit a mistake, you can say this expression. Let me rephrase that. And lastly, for our eighth problem, when you are running out of time, what you are thinking, I'm running out of time. How should you say it? You can use these following expressions. So, just to give you the main points here, or to be straightforward, you can just say to wrap it up. Now, if you learn these expressions by heart, you will be able to get out of a difficult situation automatically and therefore confident. So I hope that you will be able to apply these expressions in your future presentation. Don't forget to click subscribe button and see you. Bye!